welcome to another video. Alright, today we're going to be finding cool birds. This might be including bluebirds, cardinals, jays, and many more, other than the common bird. I'm just doing this because I'm pretty bored, and it's pretty hot outside. So, let's just get to it. The first thing we're going to try to find is a cardinal. I'll stay real quiet so I can actually find one. Hopefully I do. So, I'm just looking around. And I think it went next doors. I'm trying to find it right now. Oh. I'm pretty sure it's not there. No birds. Oh, Jesus. This is harder than I thought it would be. Let's try to find some birds. Oh! I think I found a bird, guys. Right there. You see that large clump? Yes, that's a bird, guys. I don't know what it is, but it's green. It's just standing still. I also find another bird up here. Don't know where it is. And yeah. Alright. Where are the ones? Oh, I found some chickens. Which don't surprise you. I'm trying to find some birds, guys. This is way harder than I thought it would be. Because I found a cardinal a few minutes ago. A few seconds ago, actually. No, minutes. Sorry, guys. A few minutes ago, I found a cardinal sitting on a branch. And you can see some birds just soaring in the air. Maybe they're just circling. Oh. I saw a blackbird. Where's a blackbird? Anyway, I'm doing this just because I'm bored. I just want to do it because I'm weird too. So anyway. So this isn't going to be a long video, guys. And before you do anything else, please subscribe and like this video. And turn on notifications for more amazing videos. And just before we end the video, I'm going to try to find the last bird. And I see something moving. Hopefully it's something good. Nope, it's just a flag. Anyway, so that's the end of the video, guys. So, wow. Stay tuned for more weird videos. Anyway, guys, like I said, subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications for more amazing videos. Well, bye!